She's gonna play music.
They were cool.
It's the hat.
The ladies gon' kill me. The fellas in the back, and they twisting up a belly.
Hi, Dad.
Get on Billy. Get silly.
Hello.
Get silly. Get silly.
We're waiting for Cody.
Get silly.
He's not coming for like 2 more hours, but she's checking her parent email right now, so I'm always on the computer. I'm gonna log off now. Okay. I have something to say. Anybody think this guy's hot? If you guys say no, or if you girls say no, you're blind. Because that's the model for Tilly. Anyway. Sorry. I'm going to put my sound. Sorry.
What are they singing?
No, they don't act a fool.
Get silly. Get silly. Get silly. Get silly.
That wasn't weird at all. I learned how to play this on the piano. That's pretty cool. You want to hear it? That's a video. Ow! Trouble, I know it is. Ah, my hair! Hold on. Fake it oh. My hair! That's so pretty. Be back. Play that, those small things. Play like those small things or something like that. There she goes again. That's not it. Isn't that it? Oh.
It starts with one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I'm designed is trying to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing.
So it's
Show me how to lie. You're getting better all the time.
I love when it does that.
I like it better the other way. Okay, this is my hand. This is my hand. About the next big heart attack. Kitty! Woo! I'm falling down, falling down. What are you doing? My hair is down, I do that, but I can't. Then I just go like this. Do you have any shout outs today? Do we? I don't know, do we? I have a shout out for, my friend Randy, who I haven't seen for a really long time. Yeah, I haven't met my elementary buddy. If you would have come to my birthday party, you would have known him. Just kidding. Anyway. Sorry, you had to go to church. Go to church. I'm gonna show you. I'm on YouTube right now, and I'm looking for this one guy. He's a really good singer, and he's a really good singer. And I just sent him a friend request now, and I subscribed. His name is DanJT87, and yeah, you're like a really good singer. Wow. I haven't met a guy that can sing that good in like a long time, except for Sneakers, but he's in 7th, 8th grade. That he doesn't count.